So it's driver's side. In the door well, it's more the dashboard, and you've got a whole number of switches here. That's the rear boot, but here is the bonnet, and you should hear a good click. So now you can see you've released the safety catch, so you've got a gap here. So come to the badge, just above the badge, slightly to the right of the badge, the ring finger's on the lever, and I lift it towards the center. Can you hear that? And lift it at the same time. There you are. Trying to do this, lifting that. Telescopic struts which make life a little bit easier. All the caps back on. Don't leave any tools lying around. Official way to shut these is from about a foot or 30 centimeters. Drop them, and you heard that clang. And I can't lift that. I can't move it. That's well closed. Remember, closing a bonnet is probably more important than knowing how to